Welcome back everyone. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I share about my farming journey. On this video, I'm spraying my cabbages. On this video, I'm mixing pesticide and fungicide. But at first I don't mix chemicals, but I'm only mixing these two now at this stage because like my cabbages now they're really fully grown and the dosage which I'm using it's really not that strong because I'm just protecting my cabbages. Make sure that you really fight pests because those pests can really damage your cabbages, and then by the time you'll be at the point where you have to sell your cabbages won't be in a very good state, and then like people can be really picky, and the plan is to sell these cabbages to people from my community. So having good strong cabbages, if I'm failing to sell to people in my community, then I could even be able to sell them to street vendors. So your cabbages have to look good. It doesn't really cost that much to protect your cabbages, especially from pests, because like at the end of the day, it will be worth it. So make sure that you spray your cabbages 5 days in a week, actually every 5 days, and then fungicide you can spray it after every 7 days. But it depends on the weather. If it was really raining, then after rain, it's fungicide just to protect them from those fungal diseases. Make sure that you mix the fine good ratio usually, because sometimes you find that those labels they usually say you should mix with 100 liters of water, and then the snack the spray which I'm using they're usually 16 liters. So make sure that you really convert to the good ratio, and always make sure that you wear safety gears. Here I was not wearing mask and gloves just because the ratio which I was using was really low. The big aim was just to